How to change currency on Binance. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily change currency on your Binance application. So the first thing you're going to have to do is go ahead and open up your Binance and make sure that you are logged into your account. So you'll find the currency changing option on your settings menu. To do that, tap on the Binance logo at the top left corner. It will get you to your profile. And once you see your profile icon and username, tap on the gear icon that you see at the very top right corner of your screen, right beside the support button. Find the settings, and from here, all you need to do now is scroll down and find the payment option. Under payment, you have payment currency as well as payment method. So currently, I have the payment currency for NPR based on my location. So you can change it to anything you want. So let's say if I wanted to change it to US dollars, I can either go ahead and tap on U on the right side of the screen and find the USD here, like so. Or you could just find and search for it at the top on the search bar. So search for USD, select this. And now if I go back, as you can see now, the payment currency has changed to USD. That is it for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys on the next one.